I am here today in the sought after Zetland location with beautiful walks over the banks and easy access to the local shops and restaurants. This property really is the type of home that we should all aspire to have.
Hey, it's been a while, girl, how you been? It's good to see your face again.
This property just radiates the feeling of home. This lounge is a perfect example of what you should have from a lounge, with a beautiful bay-fronted window and a feeling of coziness. Just imagine hard days at work, sitting on the sofa with your family, enjoying your favourite family film. What I love about this kitchen is the potential that it has to be turned into something absolutely amazing. So, with the right planning and obviously permissions, you could turn this into a huge kitchen, dining room and family room by even opening it out into the conservatory.
I can feel the heat come over your lips as I slowly breathe you in. The taste of ecstasy.
So to the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 doubles and a single. But we have potential to add a loft conversion. You would add the stairs here, so you wouldn't need to lose the 3rd bedroom, and you would get a great sized room upstairs. But we also have this very recently fitted, stunning shower room. Zetland is a wonderful location for enjoying family walks and sports, with the Angkorian sports facilities a stone's throw away. The Chatham Grammar School and the Robert Napier Secondary School are also within walking distance. You also have Byron Primary School, Barnsold Primary School and the Featherby Infant and Junior School, all within good access. If you fancy a nice meal, then why not take a walk down to the extremely popular Elekendro restaurant? You're guaranteed to be given shots at the end of your meal. And here we have the beautiful garden with 2 newly laid patio areas, a beautiful hot tub that can remain subject to the right offer. We have rear access, and come and look at this. Absolutely love this property. It offers style, it offers space, and it offers a lifestyle of family fun. So, I'll be sitting here waiting for your call. Cheers.